Hello, and welcome to Tips and Tricks. My name is Jason, one of the training support specialists in the Port Orange Library Distribution Center. Today we will be discussing some of the features of one of our newest floor stands, the VarioFloat one-hand adjustable floor stand. The adjustable base on the VarioFloat allows for use with chairs, beds, tables, and fitting easily through doors and hallways, making transferring the stand and device between locations smooth. The device does not have to be attached to a single chair or table, it can move around with the user. The caster wheels are lockable, preventing the stand from rolling away accidentally and adding additional stability to the stand. The telescopic column can raise and lower between 45.5 inches and 72 inches, or 6 feet tall. The arm on the VarioFloat is designed to be easily adjusted with one hand, allowing for simple adjustments to the placement of eye gazes and other devices. The device adapter can be used to further adjust device positioning in several angles. Once the device is set in position, the adapter can be locked in place with the handle, which then prevents further movement. To attach a device to the adapter, simply slide the plate on the back of the device into the adapter. The adapter will click into place and no longer move. To remove the device from the adapter, pull this knob and slide the device out. Once the device is attached, the arm of the VarioFloat allows for easy height adjustments both up and down. With the device attached, we can check the calibration of the VarioFloat's arm. Position the arm straight out, as shown in the first image. If the arm is calibrated correctly, it will remain in place without moving. If the arm drifts up or down, it will need to be adjusted with the larger Allen wrench that is included with the VarioFloat. The calibration point is located at the end of the arm, here, opposite the device. If the arm drifted downward, adjust by turning the Allen wrench counterclockwise. If the arm drifted upward, adjust by turning the Allen wrench clockwise. Adjust the arm calibration until the arm remains in place when positioned straight. Please note this may take several adjustments depending on the weight of the device and prior calibration settings. If the arm is still not staying in position, further adjustments may be needed. First, with the arm in the raised position, as shown in this image, use the smaller Allen wrench, also included with the VarioFloat, to tighten the calibration point A by turning the Allen wrench counterclockwise. Second, with the arm straight out, as shown in this image, use the smaller Allen wrench to tighten calibration point B by turning the Allen wrench counterclockwise. Be careful not to over-tighten the adjustment points when making these calibrations. Please note, due to the hydraulics in the telescopic arm, this device is not recommended for devices weighing under 4 pounds or over 14 pounds. Examples of non-compatible devices in our library include NovaChat devices, WinSlate devices, the Accent 800, as well as the Accent 1000. Examples of compatible devices in our library include the i13, the i16, and the Accent 1400, which does meet the minimum weight requirements. On behalf of the AT and UDL Technology and Learning Connections team, we want to say thank you for joining us today. Please keep an eye on our website for additional videos and support.